The Grand Strand is home to beautiful beaches, immaculate golf courses, exciting nightlife, and fun activities for all ages. Unfortunately, not every day is a day at the beach, but legal help is always within your reach. You need an experienced attorney working to secure the best possible outcome for you. When legal issues threaten to cloud your day at the beach, contact the law firm of McCutchen, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Geddie today, and let us assist you with your claim.
We are your lawyers at the beach.
Welcome back to Carolina and Company Live. That's what we're talking about, your lawyers at the beach. We have them on every week, and they can answer your legal questions, too. Today, we have Luther McCutchen with us from McCutchen, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Geddie. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
And let's talk HOAs. Most of the properties around here have HOAs, homeowner associations.
Yes, there are a ton of them around here.
Yes, very much so. Why is it important for the HOA to collect regular assessments from property owners?
Well, these assessments are what the association uses to maintain their common areas. The pool house, the streets, the lights, and anything that has to do with the common property is what these assessments go to. So without these, the neighborhood deteriorates, everything that they need to keep looking good just deteriorates.
Right, or they would have to, bill however
Special
much.
assess.
Right, exactly. Yeah. Okay, so please explain the documents that govern the association.
Well, there's the Articles of Incorporation, the Master Deed, the bylaws, and then there could be the covenants, which have to do with the lots. There's a provision in there usually Article 28, Section 28, somewhere around there, where they have the power to assess. And at that point, once they assess, if the person doesn't pay, the owner doesn't pay, then you would be able to file a lien and then foreclose on that lien.
Okay, so if the owner fails to make their payments, then that's
then
what
that's
happens.
where, yeah, that's when it gets transferred over to us.
Okay, all right. What's the first step for an HOA when they contact you regarding collections?
The first step would be to probably send us over the documents. The documents that I was just speaking of, so I could review them, make sure they do have the power to assess. And then after that, you would review them, make sure they had the power to lien, and then we'd ask them to send us all the delinquent owners' information, open up a file, and then we just begin the foreclosure process, which would be we'd send out a demand letter, and we usually give them 30 days to respond to that, and then we'd file a lien and then foreclose on that lien, sort of in that manner.
Okay, that sounds like a lot of steps and a lot of paperwork. I mean,
yes.
Obviously, they would need your help in doing
yes,
that.
Yes, once they get past the demand letters, a lot of times they'll send a 30-day letter or a 60-day letter out, and at that time they will turn it over to us if they don't get a response from the owner.
Okay, now how else can your firm help out the associations?
We do a lot of covenant enforcements, general rep issues for some of the HOAs. We do construction litigation and obviously collection foreclosure matters.
Okay, all right. Well, if you have a question, you can send an email to legaladvice@wpde.com and we'll get it over to Your Lawyers at the Beach. You can also head to yourlawyersatthebeach.com, and you cover a lot of different things. Kind of talk about what's under your umbrella as far as legal help goes.
Gene's been on here to talk. He talks about criminal defense. He does workers' comp. We have people who do real estate matters, construction matters, a lot of HOA matters. Pretty much anything you need help with, we can do.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Anything and everything. These
anything
are your guys.
and everything, yep.
Check them out, yourlawyersatthebeach.com, and they are here every Tuesday on Carolina and Company Live. Stick with us. We'll be right back in just a moment.